Goo goo ga ga. Ga ga goo goo. The filter on your furnace not only helps to improve indoor air quality, but also protects the life of the furnace. A clogged filter can reduce or halt the operation of the furnace, and that's bad news. First, locate the filter. There's usually a filter access door on the air intake side of the furnace, or it may be located inside the furnace itself. If located inside the furnace, there are safety features built in so that you don't have to worry about shocking yourself. Simply pull the filter out and replace it with a filter the same size. If you don't have a spare, they can be purchased at CM Heating or your local hardware store. We recommend checking your filter every month or so. Ooh, gaga. Ooh.